Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Leibhéal A1 topic dóigh Rannóg Laethanta Saoire ag díriú a bheith Labhairt. Level A1 topic 12 section 9 My holidays or my vacation, focusing on speaking. Lamúna ag fifrí do dhuine cé a bhí leis agus an cheis sin a ragart, agus tuairimí a lurg agus a thuairt faoin áit. Asking somebody who was with them and answering that question, and asking and giving opinions about a place. Beag an bhfuileog Laethanta Saoire uait don na buíochas. You'll need the handout My Holidays for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes for the lesson. Laethanta Saoire. Tá ólas faoin na Laethanta Saoire a bhí agat na roll chortaí. You have information about the holidays you had on the roll cards. Cuirfidh me ceistena ort agus becheart dit na ceistena sin a ragart. I will ask you questions and you need to answer those questions. Mar hampla, for example, an ráitear Laethanta Saoire in Míle. Were you on holidays this year? Bhí me sa Spáin. Yes, I was in Spain. Oh, good jazz. Cé a bhí leat? Nice. Who was with you? Má bhean chéile Sheila. My wife Sheila. Agus cén cinál lóistín a bhí agaibh? And what type of accommodation did you have? Dánamar in Ulston. We stayed in a hotel. Caidé mar bhí an aimsir an sin. And how was the weather there? Bhí sé go hálainn, bhí sé go deas, bhí sé grianmhar. It was beautiful, it was nice, it was sunny. Agus caidé mar bhí an bia, and how was the food? Oh, bhí sé go deas, thain sé go mórlam. Oh, it was nice, I really enjoyed it, or I really liked it. Agus caidé mar bhí na daoine, and how were the people? Bhí siad an deas, an chordiúil. They were very nice, very friendly. Rannóg idir a haon go dtí a sé. Choose a number between 1 to 6. Féach an roll chort chuí. Look at the appropriate roll card. An sin freagar na ceistena seo a leanas, and then answer the following questions. Déan ó bhéal dús, agus an sin is féidir leat na freagraí a scríomh amach más má leat. Do this orally first, and then, if you want to, you can write out your answers. An bhfuil tú réig, are you ready? An ráil tú Laethanta Saoire in Míle. Cé a bhí leat? Agus cén cinál lóistín a bhí agaibh? Caidé mar bhí an aimsir an sin? Agus caidé mar bhí an bia? Agus caidé mar bhí na daoine? Anois Rannóg carta eile agus denimid a ríise. And now choose another card and we'll go through it again. An bhfuil tú réig, are you ready? An ráil tú Laethanta Saoire in Míle. Cé a bhí leat? Agus cén cinál lóistín a bhí agaibh? Caidé mar bhí an aimsir an sin? Agus caidé mar bhí an bia? Agus caidé mar bhí na daoine? Rannóg roll chárta eile. Choose another roll card. An uair seo, beidh tú ag caint faoi cheann. Tá eolas faoin na Laethanta Saoire a bhí aige ar an roll chárta. This time you will be talking about Sean. There's information about the holiday he had on the roll card. Freagar na ceistleanna faoi. Answer the questions about them. Bí cuaireamach, beidh na foranamnacha agus na foranamnacha réamhachlacha a athrú. Be careful, you will need to change the pronouns and the prepositional pronouns. An rá Sean ar Laethanta Saoire i Míle. Cé a bhí leis? Agus cén cinál lóistín a bhí aige? Cad é mar bhí an aimseir aige an sin? Agus cad é mar a cheap sé faoin Míle? Agus cad é mar bhí na daoine dar leis? Rannóg roll chárta eile. Choose another card. An uair seo, beidh tú ag caint faoi áine. Tá eolas faoin na Laethanta Saoire a bhí aici ar an roll chárta. This time you'll be talking about Anya. There's information about the holiday she had on the roll card. Freagar na ceistleanna faoi. Answer the questions about her. Bí cuaireamach, Labhairt na foranamnacha agus na foranamnacha réamhachlacha a athrú. Be careful, you will need to change the pronouns and the prepositional pronouns. An rá Anya ar Laethanta Saoire i Míle. Cé a bhí lé? Agus cén cinál lóistín a bhí aici? Cad é mar bhí an aimseir aici an sin? Agus cad é mar cheap sí faoin Míle? Agus cad é mar bhí na daoine dar lé? Má Laethanta Saoire tróracha grúpa. So these are the directions for a group if you're doing this in a class setting. Beidh sibh ag obair in grúpaí de heisear agus ba cheart go mbeidh ceann do an roll chártaí a haon go dtí sé a gach duine agaibh. So you'll be working in groups of 6 and each person should have one of the roll cards numbered 1 to 6. And you can adjust this to the numbers in your class or in your group. Tá eolas faoin na Laethanta Saoire a bhí agaibh ar an roll chárta. So you have information about the holiday you had on your roll card. Ba cheart do gach duine ceistleanna a chur ar thriúr eile sa grúpa, agus na ceistleanna a chuireann an trúr eile sin orthú a Labhairt. So each person should ask the questions of 3 other people in the group and answer the questions that 3 others ask of them. And obviously you can adjust this to the numbers that you're working with, or if you're just working with a study buddy. Agus sé na roll chártaí, Rachamí tríd, we'll go through them. Tick sin freagra dearfach, a positive answer. Mar hampla, for example, bhí sé go maith, bhí sé go brá. An X, freagra diúltach, a negative answer. Ní raibh sé go maith. Ní raibh sé go hálainn, bhí sé go dona, it was awful. So on Spáin, ban chéile síle, óstán, agus an chéad ceann eile, roll chárta dó, ar Saoire, America, Carapól, Lóistín Orasán, roll chárta trí, an Idáil, Mac, Cian, Brú, don siad I mrú, roll chárta chathair, an áid Canada, the leat leis nó lé, the drifúr, Róise, agus an Lóistín, Óstán a bhí acu, nó agad. ról chart a chuig, an rank, páistí agus cadarháin, agus ról chart a sé, an pholin, pádrig a cara agus óstáin. Agus sin deire le Rannóg an lí má Laethanta Saoire ag fífrí de chuine cé a bhí leis agus an cheis sin a Ragairt agus tuairimí a lorg agus a thuairt faoi náit. And that's the end of section 9, my holidays, asking somebody who was with them and answering that question and seeking and giving information about a place. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúil gom gur bhain sibh taitneamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.